memories and your time at Microsoft, which platform, which product you're most fond of that brings good memories releasing it?
It's like asking which baby do you like the most?
It should be easier with software.
I should tell you, if I sort of think about all of that, I would say, probably Visual Studio and .NET Framework, I would say, because it's sort of Microsoft has always been a platform company first and foremost. Okay. And when you think about the world through a platform lens, what you really are focused on is providing a set of services, a set of tools that enable others to be able to build some phenomenal experiences on your platform. And there was nothing better than sort of running developer division, which really focuses on how do I take care of the developer audience, right? Which is probably the most strategic and the most important audience for all of Microsoft kind of thing. So being able to deliver world-class tools in Visual Studio and the framework in .NET that really took the enterprise world forward in terms of making it easy to be able to build line of business applications or enterprise applications. So I feel really, really proud of the work that we did there.
I'm probably going to upset half of the audience, but I can probably say that Visual Studio has been the best IDE that was ever released. I had a chance to work with the C# team when I was part of Business Objects, releasing Crystal Reports, which was embedded inside Visual Studio, and I earned a lot of they earned a lot of respect from me. The team was pretty outstanding.